Hi guys, it's Mark. Just thought I'd put a quick video out here, as obviously we've had a bit of a nightmare on the Bitcoin chart, as you can see from what I've got in front of me. So look, this is the weekly. So the monthly, followed by the weekly, followed by the daily, are great indicators for the direction that a coin, whether it's Bitcoin, which is the king, the daddy, what direction it's going in. And you can see we've had this pretty gigantic series. Oh, I'm getting messages of downwards sell pressure, and you can see here that the volume is kind of it's going down. But it's not going down slowly, and we've had this little sort of step up in volume over the last couple of weeks. And if I go down to the daily, so you can see, so on the daily, obviously we've had this horrid daily candle, and on this particular chart, which is BTC versus USDT on Bybit, which is it's a big exchange, but it's a leveraged exchange, so you know. The figures are not quite, they're overextended, let's put it that way. But it actually went down to the bottom here, it went down to 40,829. So, yeah, that was a pretty steep drop. It's recovered a little bit. Obviously, it's recovered $7,000, $8,000. So, it's where we go from here. And I think I'm just trying to warn you that it's pretty clear on the daily right now. If I go to the day, that's the 2-day. If I go to the daily, that we've got this steep sort of increase in volume, pushing the price, down. You can see here how the volume has really sort of gone up over the last few days, as the price has gone, down. So a lot of people are asking, is it a buy here, at the bottom, and maybe we're going to carry on up. You can see the yellow lines on the chart. We've obviously broken this line at 50,800. If I go down to the 12-hour, just gives a bit more room. You can see we've got this green candle. It's still 4 versus 3. This is an indicator, just showing the relative strength of the bulls versus the bears, and let me just clear those drawings. So we're still in a period of letting the price settle to decide where we're going to go from here. It'd be great, to get the price to go up from here, but I am, like I said, I think I'm willing to wait. Just bear with me a second. Yeah, this is the price on Coinbase. So you can see this channel that I drew quite a while ago between these two blue lines, and you can see that we came out of this channel, but we sort of sat below this red line. By the way, if I just go to the daily, it's just a curve that I drew. Let me just go on the weekly so you can kind of see, reset this chart. Yeah, so it's just a curve that I drew. You can see how it just curves, keeping these wicks, just trapping these wicks in. And I'm still looking for a 40,000 Bitcoin. I think we have bounced here. It wasn't a surprise because we've had previous resistance. As you can see, I've drawn on this chart back in January. January, can you believe it? May, June this year, August and July this year, and even September this year, where we've bounced. We've used this line here as resistance in these previous cases, and support in post September, and as you can see, I drew this line here to bounce off and to come up. I may have been off by a couple of weeks, and maybe you know, we're going to bounce off here and move upwards. I don't know. Obviously, we've recovered $8,000 from the low on this particular exchange, and we may very well come back up and retest this area of what was support, you know, here at 53, and then carry on the motion back down to even lower values. I'm just giving you my ideas. I'm just giving you my ideas of where I feel the price could be going. As I said, this is very, very high time frames. This is each candle is representing a week, and if I go down to the daily, which I feel is a strong indicator, you can see that we've broken through, we've bounced back up, and we're currently sort of still in this channel. So until the price comes to one side of this channel or the other side of this channel, you know, and as you can see, I drew this line at 41. I still think we're going to come down to this channel, possibly again sweep this low, where I'd be looking to potentially decide on whether or not I'm going to buy a bit more Bitcoin. Right now, just for clarity, you know, I'm out of Bitcoin and I'm in cash, USDT. So, you know, I'm not financial advice at all, but I'm just letting you know where I stand. Until we make a move outside of this channel and set a trend, either upwards or downwards, and as you can see, we're sort of really are starting to set this trend downwards as we speak. But like I say, we'll see where we are. It's the weekend, so Saturday, Sunday. Let's enjoy a few our returns from the previous month. But now you've got to decide what you're going to do with those returns. Are you going to leave them in Bitcoin, or you know, save yourself, or at least put them into dollars while the market resets and decides what it's going to do as of Sunday night, Monday, Tuesday, when the market, or should I say the institutional markets, reopen. Just a thought, and something to chew on over the weekend. All right, have a great day.